We're staying on a campsite at the moment, but it's got this amazing facilities where we can sort of like relax. We've got kitchen areas, seating area and things. Yes, this is part of a campsite. Oh, where's Brooke and that gone? Oh, they're on the pool. Playing these games in here, and it's like not done stuff like that since being a kid, and it's just amazing. Relax area here.
Chilling out today is because the weather is like
yeah, no, I've already said. Fire pits and everything, so obviously in summer and things, you know, you can obviously have your barbecues and things, amazing views. So guys, it's that time now, it's challenge time. We're gonna play first to 10 on the football game. The winning team tonight is gonna get sort of like looked after, because the team that doesn't win, they are cooking all the food tonight and cleaning. Foul. So that makes the score now 2 to these guys, 1 to us. So we're now moving on to here. So the way that we're doing this is, because it's quite a long game, it is difficult to score on this. We're doing it where the first one to score, then the Scott will play, and then we'll go from there.
no cheating, Tom. Loser.
Next game.
We're not doing so.
Yeah! Oh, good save, Anna. Oh, goalie nearly scored.
That's nice.
Yeah!
Oh. Yo! Own goal! Oh.
Yeah! Oh! Oh! Come on! Oh, we won that one. So that means the score so far is
3-1.
It's 2-1, isn't it?
Yes.
It's 2-1. 2 to these guys, 1. We've got 1 game left, Anna. We need to win this to draw to give them a chance of winning. Yeah, no. So we're going to play another game of this. If these guys win, they've won the championship. If we win, it's a draw, and then we need to play another game. Well, it looks like me and you cooking and cleaning tonight. Now we did bring it back on that game, and it came to a draw, and then we had to have like the decider on that. And we lost by a few points, so.
Yeah, we did.
It's alright, it's a bit of the taking part, isn't it?
Yeah.
We don't mind cooking
We had a
things.
good time.
Yeah, we had a good time, so.
Drinks, please.
Yeah.
Food, please.
I've got all some food in there and things, so. But we're getting a little buffet going.
Chicken dippers, potatoes, hot dogs, and lawn sausage.
On this road trip, guys, I just had to mention that Hannah's actually brought her all power station with her. This power station is a small and compact power station, and when I seen her using it in that, I thought, do you know what, we're gonna have to give this a mention. This power station is a 606 watt hours and has a 700 watts higher rated capacity. It can power 9 devices at the same time to charge them up. And do you know what, because it's so small and everything, we really do like this. It's got 2 AC outlets, and you can also power like USB items. And if I just show you around here, it's got 3 USB ports, a USB-C port, and it's got like really bright LED lights on it. Just press that there, just show you. It's also got Bluetooth where you can, you know, get an app connected to it and you control everything by an app. I like the little carry handle here that if I just quickly show you, you lift that up, it's got like a carry handle, and then if you look here, it's got your DC 12 volt output for your cigarette lighter, and you can, you know, power other inputs and things. Charge from like 0% up to 80% in about an hour. I've been having a look as well, and these can power some devices up to 1400 watts. Also, it's got a lot of like built-in safety features as well, so it can't overheat, you know, and you can't overcharge items and things. Alright, isn't it? The good thing is as well, it's got the dial on here, you know, that can sort of like show you everything that you're doing. So when you're powering all your items and everything, it also shows you how much power you're using and things. And you know what? It does last quite a long time because it's so small and portable. It's a really handy thing to have. If you are interested in something like this, I will put a link in the description. But you know what? We recommend these. Morning everyone. Well, that's a bit of a shock and that's a bit of a surprise. Waking up to that.
Who ordered the blizzard?
I know. Crazy. So guys, last night we just watched the film, relaxed, chilled out, nice peaceful night's sleep. Again, this campsite, really like it. Now, we've been changing our plans for the past few days, and that's why we stayed here for an extra night. Now with this weather, it changes our plans again. So we don't really know what we're going to be doing, so we're going to have a bit of a meeting, try and figure out exactly what it is that we're doing today. But crazy weather.
Needed.
Yeah. So, if you want to see what we get up to on the next video, got us all huddled up in a group like team meeting. Thor's ready as well, he loves the snow. So, right, we're going to have a bit of a chat and everything. And do you know what, guys? You're going to see on the next video what we get up to. So, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. As you can see, conditions out there are a little bit crazy. To show you, it's been like weather warnings in Scotland and blizzard conditions and everything. We are supposed to be going to day 2,
Slane's Castle.
but if anybody knows anything about that, it's can be quite sort of like, you know, safety obviously comes to mind with like obviously exploring around there and everything. I tell you what, that is just, it's unreal, isn't it? The way that you're feeling there.